Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, and in this tutorial we're gonna learn how you can link your Rockstar social club with the Epic Games launcher. So the process is going to be very easy. First of all, just run your Rockstar Games social club as an administrator, and once it will open, so it will basically takes few seconds to open, so you have to wait for it. And once it will open, alright, so over here what you're gonna do now, you have to go and click over on your profile picture on the top right corner and then click on manage account. Once you click on it, it will redirect you to the browser, and over here now you can customize your profile settings. Here you can see we have, and just go to linked account, and here you will see all your linked accounts. So you can either link your Twitch account or Xbox network game tag, and here you can see you can also link your Epic Games account. In my case, you can see I've already linked my Epic Games account with the Rockstar social club, but if you want to link, you can just link it from here. So this is basically how you can link your Epic Games with social clubs. So all for today's video guys, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.